Hey guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another weekly vlog. I really hope you guys have liked the last one because I really loved it. I love vlogging it. I completed the vlog yesterday night and I'm starting another one today. That is Wednesday. The time right now is 12:30ish, and this is my college uniform. Yeah guys, we have a uniform and I'm just back from my college. I had an exam. While coming back, I ordered myself a pack of momos because I was craving for them. So I'll just quickly change my clothes, and this is how I went to college. Yeah, you're right. Never mind. So I'll just quickly change and then we are gonna have momos. And yeah, I have to show you something super exciting. So yeah, let's get going. So I got freshen up and here are my momos. I got all these, of course. And let me show you. No, I'm not gonna eat all of them. So yeah, this is one pack. So these are like tandoori chicken fried momos, and then these two are the same. So I'll just quickly show you. So yeah, this was like some package where you get 3 different momos, some IPL packet or something. So yeah, the same is in this one also. So yeah, these are the momos. Haha. Also watching this. Was talking to you about an exciting thing, right? That is actually this one. This is actually like an air frying machine which requires no oil, which I ordered on Amazon. So I wanted to try it out, but I was waiting for these took a long time to come. So I got these. What you need to do is they gave like a measuring cup and you need to pour it, and without anything the popcorn is gonna pop. So I'm so excited to try this one out. So let's try. So I'm gonna try and do it with one hand. So I'm taking the measuring jar and I'm gonna be, let's try these many first. So all you need to do is just add them into these and close the lid, which is not really required, I guess, but we are gonna do that. And here's a little switch, you need to just turn it on. Wow, just look at it. Oh my god, oh my god, what is this? What is this? Wow, wow. This is what I got. And look at this disaster. Wow. I kept it, but still, all the popcorn were flying all over the place. So yeah, this is what we are gonna eat, and I don't know what we're gonna do with this one. It's a good product, but I think we need a little more experience to handle this. So yeah, this is the popcorn excitement disaster experiment, if we had to name it in Big Bang Theory. It smells like popcorn, and here I added some, tried to add some melted cheese, but it didn't melt. So it's like a cheese popcorn. I hate cheese, I hate popcorn. So I'll give this to my mom and some to Louis. Louis is having the popcorn which I made in the morning. It's actually safe for him because there's no oil or anything in it. Do you like it, Louis? Louis, do you like it? Hi guys, so it's Thursday today. The time right now is around 10:30 a.m. and today I woke up at 7 a.m. And you know what happened today? Me and Louis, we went out for a little walk. We were just passing by this cafe, like a small cafe, and to the right there was a little drainage thing which was covered with that like smooth sand, smooth mud actually, not sand. And you know what did Louis do? He just went into there, crawled in it like a snake, did a little cuddle with it, and you know what not. And oh my god, it was so embarrassing. I was literally begging him to go, but he wasn't even listening to me. And everyone on the road was staring at me like crazy. And the smell, oh my god, that there was like dry night smell. Literally, it was smelling so bad. I had to pull him back to the home. I had to give him like a little bath and everything. Giving bath to Louis is like such a big task. You know, he just runs all over the washroom. And all of this is giving me a headache. I'm sure it's because of the smell, and my mom had to clean the entire house because the whole house was filled with his hair, you know. Anyways, so I got this new coffee from this brand called as Coffee Bean. I got the hazelnut and caramel flavor. So I really want to try that one out and make some coffee, and at the same time I'm going to be having like a little breakfast. So this is what my breakfast looks like. Actually, yesterday I showed you a machine, right? So I just roasted few almonds in it. That's not for me. I'm just gonna have 2 of them, and rest are for everyone in my family. And yeah, recently we got these biscuits. So I'm gonna be having 2 of them, and I'm gonna be having 2 of these almonds, and then we are gonna make that hazelnut cold coffee. So guys, this is the hazelnut coffee I was talking about. So we are gonna be making some hot hazelnut coffee today because I'm getting a headache. So yeah, let's make it. So I'm gonna be adding like 1 whole spoon of this and maybe a little more. I think that's too less. Maybe this much more. And to this, I'll be adding some honey. Crystals there. They actually even appear gold in real life. I don't know why. I added in some hot milk, and actually for some reason this thing is not dissolving properly. I've never seen any coffee not dissolve, but the smell is so nice. Actually, it has some nice coffee plus chocolate kind of a smell, but it's not dissolving. What is this? Finally got dissolved, and this is how it looks like. It is a little strong, and I like my coffee strong. Ordered in some Revolution palettes from this brand, from this website called as HOK Makeup. If you can see, oh my god. So yeah, these are all the things I've ordered. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Let me just quickly show it to you. Oh my god. So this is the eyeshadow palette. I actually love a palette filled with a lot of colors. And here's a blush palette, and here's a highlighter palette. So I ordered these 3. Really cannot wait to create a look. So yeah. And by the way, come here. Let me just show you. I got this super huge box of Nivea, bottle of Nivea. I have to make my bed, yeah. So yeah, this is how they look like. And also I got a lipstick today. Let me just show you that one as well. Got in this lipstick from My Glam. Like, wait. This is how it looks like. Actually, you know what, I got it for free, kind of free. So there was this survey you need to take on the PopXO's website, and they're gonna give you like free lipstick. You just need to pay 99 rupees for the delivery charges. So I picked this shade up, which looks like this. So yeah, if I have time, I'll just try to create a look with all of my new makeup which I got today. So we ordered in some food today. We ordered some paneer manchuria, paneer curry, methi chaman, and also some biryani, which I'm not gonna have. So yeah, and also not this. I'm just gonna have this, and some roti as well, butter roti. So yeah. Hi guys, so today is Friday, and I'm having like the worst day ever. That is because first I had an appointment of getting my learner's license today, and I also had to submit my internship project in my college, and both of them clashed, and I just cancelled my license thing because I had to submit the project. It was the last day, and at the last moment there was someone else in our class who was doing the same project, so we had to change the entire title, do everything again. It's still there. I have to still submit that. That didn't happen, and this didn't happen. I don't know what to do. I have to submit the Me and my friend have to submit the project by today evening, and
I have to go to the driving school because yesterday I skipped the class for no reason, and again I have to make the booking arrangement. So I have to go, I have to come back, I have to film a video, I have to submit a project, and again I have to study because I also have an exam tomorrow. And everything is going just wrong from morning. I don't even know, my face is even not looking nice today, so I don't even know what am I gonna do. I'm just repeating this particular talk for the past every alternate day actually whenever I'm washing it. So ignore my repeated clothes. So yeah, having a bad day.
And guys, now look at the petrol. What an amazing day am I having, right? Congrats to me. Hey guys, with all the bad things that are happening today, even my face is not looking good. So I just applied an Instagram filter. Yeah, this is a filter. Anyways, so I'm just done with my driving school. I came like super quickly. I came back in like 30 minutes. I just did only 2 rounds. And right now I have like ample, I don't even know why am I even zooming in and zooming out. Anyways, I'm having ample time right now, but I have nothing to do. Everything wants to clash and will clash, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just waiting for the end of the day, and tomorrow I have college, which I hate. Okay, that is today's update. Having some chai, and it's raining outside. I like, yeah, you can't see, but yeah, it's raining and we're having some chai, and I have my presentation at 8:30. We love Steve, but we're not going to give him. I want to watch Netflix, but look what I'm actually doing. I really hope to get over with this for once and for all. And I don't know. All of my works are getting delayed because of this, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay, let's do this. I hope to like get this as soon as possible. Finally done with the project. It actually went super well. Not as well, actually very better than the way I planned it to be. And yeah, I reached thank you. So yeah, not actually only me, it was me and my friend. So yeah, we are done with the project and it's already 9:30 right now. And yeah, I don't think there's any time left to do a video. I'll try and study for a bit and let's see if I can film a video tomorrow, or else we don't have another video. There's only one video this week as well, which I don't want. So let's see if I can film a video tomorrow. Today I don't really have patience of doing anything. It's been like the worst day. Yeah. Hi guys, today is Saturday and the time right now is around 3:30 p.m. Actually, I had an exam today and me and my friend, we went to Taco Bell to have some Big Bell box. I was craving for it from the longest time, especially the taco in it. And we also tried this new, I don't know what was it, was some best of Big Bell box.
There was a taco, there was a burrito, there was a quesadilla. I don't know what was it
called. Anyways, I know you're not that interested in that. So I'm just back home. My friend dropped me back home. And I don't have a video for today as well. I don't even know why am I lagging behind so much. That's because, all of the exams, the evaluations, the project inspections and everything is going on in the same week. And at the same time, I joined this driving school and stuff. So I'm just like I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm not at all feeling good, but I'll try to film the video today so that I can at least upload it tomorrow. Let's see. And right now, me and my mom are heading to this material shop. I have few designs in my brain which I want to design. What? Yeah. So me and my mom are going to head to this materials shop, and I want to design myself few dresses. I have done it in the past. Actually, I like designing my own dresses. So yeah, they are like exact images in my brain, and I really hope I get at least the materials which are very close to my imagination. I won't be showing you that today because I really wanted to show you like the end product. So yeah, this video consists of a lot of blabbering, I know, but I'm not really doing anything so that I could show you because there's a lot of work. It's been like a hectic week actually. So guys, I got few materials and I am going to be designing them in a certain way. Actually, pretty much like what I found. So I'm gonna be, I think, designing around 3 dresses, I think. So let's see. I have a vision in my mind and I hope everything goes according to the plan. Hi guys, so welcome to dinner junk of the day. So I was craving for some pizza and hence we have some Domino's pizza, and I was also craving for some bel puri, so we have some bel puri, and someone from our apartment so actually sent us some papad, so there's some papad. So yeah, this is my dinner. Lunch Taco Bell, dinner this junk, great going. Plan for the day. Hi guys, so I'm back with another Instagram filter because this is kind of cute, and today the entire day I was studying. Yeah, I was, and I just went out for like half an hour, met my dog Bisco, and this new lipstick came in today. This is from My Glam. I think the shade is Love Bomb. Love it. This is how the lipstick looks with no filter. Do we like it? Hey guys, so it's Monday. I think it's Monday today, and I'm really sorry if my week has been so super boring to watch, because you know it was kind of boring to live as well. So yeah, I had exams, so I really could not add any nice elements to it, and I haven't been filming. There's no time to do anything. Everything is so overlapping, and you know there's a lot of things one after the other. Today again I had an exam. Oh my god. Oof. So today I had an exam, so I wrote it and I came back. Then there was my friend's doggy baby's birthday, so me and Louis went there. It was not like a party, but you know we were just hanging out and you know chilling and you know stuff. And then I came back home. I literally wore the same thing which I wore to my college there. So yeah, I actually went directly from my college to that place. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And now wait for the unhealthy dinner of the day. I'll show you. This week has been super unhealthy. Lunch mein to I had ghar ka khana, but for dinner there's again something super unhealthy. I'll just go have a really nice hot water bath, and we are gonna have dinner and watch some Netflix. I don't have an exam tomorrow, so we're gonna chill. See you. Junk dinner of the day is chicken shawarma, and I'm watching the Bad Boy yeah, I'm right. Bad Boy Billionaires on Netflix. This is about Vijay Mallya, and for some reason it's pretty interesting. So yeah, doing that right now, and I already watched like more than half the other day. I'm going to complete the remaining one now. See you tomorrow. Shit, I was about to drop my shawarma. Good morning guys. So it's early in the morning, not very early, it's 9 a.m. and I'm having some Maggie cravings today, so we're gonna be making some Maggie. Sometimes I like my Maggie to be like so super dry, but sometimes I like it to be watery. So super watery, there should be nothing in the middle. So shit, I don't know what is there in my mind for today, but let's see as the Maggie boils. Let's decide then. Ignore the arrangement, but this is how our Maggie looks like, and we have wasted this much Maggie because that's not coming. So I'm just gonna have this. Craving for it like real bad actually. Ta-da! Really nothing pretty interesting today, but yeah, I was studying a bit and now I'm drinking coffee because it's raining outside and I'm watching Friends. So yeah. So today's junk dinner of the day are smiley fries, and it's raining like really bad outside. I'm sure you can't see it, but yeah, I think that will probably it for today's vlog. I really hope you guys have found it interesting, but my week was actually very boring. It went in studying. I didn't film any videos. Hopefully I'll cover it up by doing more videos. And please like this video if you liked it, and do let me know down in the comment section below if you like these vlogs, if you want me to do more of them. I would be happy to do that, and I'll see you guys next video. Take care, bye. Let's have these fries. Yeah, that's chili flakes.